If you want to change media output on Google Pixel 10a, we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. So the first method is to simply go to Settings. Next, in Settings, we should be able to find the sound and vibration option, and then in here you should be able to find play Spotify, play maybe YouTube music, and so on and so forth, any media source on. And then if you tap over here, you should be able to choose whichever device you want to use to play the media. Besides that, a similar option can usually be found in notifications. So let's say in my case I'm using Spotify, and if I have the playback over here, this section, this banner, you can see that in the upper right corner it says this phone, because I'm using the phone as the media output. But I can tap on this phone and I can switch to something else. And of course, instead of this phone, it might say your earbuds, your maybe any Bluetooth speaker or something like that. Essentially, you just want to tap over here to change that. And not only that, you can also use volume up or volume down. And then once you see this media slider at the bottom, we have these three dots, so we can use them. And then in here we have audio will play on. And here we can also decide which media output we want to use. Leave a like and subscribe.